Well, good afternoon. Travels with Dottie here. We're going into Albertsons today. It's a blustery, almost chilly Sunday. The what is it, the 5th of May. And I've just got a couple of things to grab. I thought I'd take the camera along and see what I can see. I have a pretty short list. I just went to Walmart the other day, but it always seems the day after I go to the grocery store, I discover a couple of things that I need. And here we are in Albertsons. I have to refresh my memory a little bit on the. Let's see. We have paper towels, water, soap, and shredded cheese. I think shredded cheese is over here. I feel like I'm close. Here we are. There we go. There's the shredded cheese. And one thing that's not on the list that I always like to get is if I see any pre-made meals that look appetizing. And I think they're over here. These are salads. Here we go. I'm trying to just kind of scrutinize everything. This chicken fajita bowl with creamy chipotle sauce. That looks good. And what do we have up here? Oh, that's a big one. That's more than a single serving. And here's a beef fajita bowl. All right, that's good enough. Let's see what they have down here. No, these aren't. That's not what I want. This is where you'll find a variety of great collectibles. And mugs. Wash with the home. Starwares opens cafe and rice in the entire selection. And yes, I passed the cookie aisle. I'm actually going to try to stick to the list today.
All right, well, let me text you. I don't know if you're inside your house.
Here we have bottled water. And I think Kroger brand will be the least expensive. There we go. 2 for $8. So let's get 2. We can keep them in the truck. right. I like these things to squeeze into the water. I'm looking for maybe stuff I haven't tried yet. Berry Blast I haven't tried. And this one. Try those. That's an impulse item, so I did go off my list. Shame on me. And I see the paper towels. 6 of them. We got room for that. And I think, my friends, that is it. Paper towels, water, soap, laundry. It's laundry detergent. Now, this one takes a little bit of an explanation. I bought a big package of those little detergent things, the pods, and I can't find them. I know they're somewhere, but I looked everywhere. So here's what's going to happen. I am going to buy more, and then I'm going to eventually find the other ones, so I'll have a double supply. I just got to find the detergent, laundry detergent aisle. Hopefully I didn't just pass it. If I did pass it, you're probably yelling at your phone or TV saying, "You passed it." All right. Well, I could use steps though. Yep, I can use some steps. Pharmacy looking stuff.
I'm gonna grab one of these. Sorry.
Here we go. Here is the right aisle. Well, we got the OxyClean 5-in-1 power packs. So we'll have plenty of those.
Regain your points for that shop groceries right at the checkout. Plus, enjoy your double time to earn and redeem points for discount.
Not too many people in here on a Sunday afternoon at 1 o'clock. So I'm going to shut this off while I check out. All right, we cleared the checkout. I think I mentioned before, I don't like to do recording at the checkout because I don't think having the camera on someone on it for a sustained period of time without their explicit permission is okay to do. So when that's going to happen, I turn the camera off or I ask permission. But this time I turn the camera off. And I see my car. It's so not busy here at all. I can see my car right away. There's no big mystery about where I park. That usually happens. Tell you, it is cold out here. Cold, 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 cold. All right. So we'll put this in the front, and these things will store just fine right here. I'll have bottled water for quite a little while. All right. So for those of you interested in pricing, let's see. Have the drinking water. Well, we said that was $8 for two of those, so $4 a piece. Those um, flavorings were $3.50 a piece. The 6 rolls of paper towels at $15.99. The OxyClean was $10.99. The shredded cheese $2.49, and both those ready-made meals are $8.99, $9 a piece, $2 in tax, $64.05. So that is going to be it today. Actually, maybe I can turn this around and face you. Here we go. So anyway, that was my little tiny trip to Albertsons today, and I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed having you come with me, and I appreciate it when you tag along. I'll see you on the next video. Take care and have a nice day.